Okay, so today we are going offshore fishing for mahi. Anything that'll bite. This is the canal we're going in right now. It's the boat we're going in. And that's all.
Flying fish, right? Man, look how blue that water is back there in the wash.
We've been driving for about 2 hours to find the spot. Nothing yet.
Well, we're just getting out here, right?
What?
We're about 5-6 miles off the beach of Stewart.
All right, look, this thing has to always be back. And if a fish starts pulling the line, you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to pull it back. All you gotta do is reel, and it'll stop.
You see that, man? So you always leave it back when you hear that drag going off.
Otherwise,
You
it'll
just
snatch it out your hand.
yeah, you just start reeling in, buddy. What kind of baits are those? Do you know?
Okay, so we're off the beach line a little bit. We found some weed lines. We're free lining for mahi right now. That's what we're doing. Waiting.
We're on a weed patch, right?
Yeah, good ones. These mahi will stay around these weed patches because all of the bait fish will stay around them. That's what the mahis like them. I'm just waiting for that thing to start to stream dry to get out of the tank. We're using baits about this big because of these mahis. They're not big mahi.
So you can show them the reed patch. Show them it runs all the way out there.
Yeah, where even is it?
See it? Show 'em.
It's off.
It's on.
Nope, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Just
So there's all the weed patches. If you can see those buildings way over there, that's Palm Beach, Florida, where we're staying. So
Hey, buddy.
this water is the most beautiful thing you'll ever see in your life. That right there. That right there. Right there.
Oh, yeah. This is set up, isn't it?
Just saw one. Turn off my phone. Yeah, take it away.
Way off in here. This boat's fast enough. It'll outrun any storm. It goes 60.
We don't catch any fish. We don't catch bluegill. We don't fishing. We tried a lot of spots, no fish. But this time we're gonna catch a twunk. We're gonna catch a dolphin. No joke. I'm catching me a dolphin. I'm not doing that empty-handed. Come on. Maybe you just don't call them dolphins. Maybe let's try a new name. Mahi Mahi. Hey Dad, that's the biggest fish of the day in that bucket right there.
Yeah. You called him too. What is it?
It's a blue runner.
Blue runner.
And it's a small blue runner, but it's a bigger fish. Who thought the bait fish would be the biggest fish?
It's early though. It's what time? 10 o'clock in the morning.
10 o'clock in the morning and 10 o'clock, we're on a beat that. We're on to catch a fish bitter. I'm beating that fish.
Tell them about the big storms this morning we had to outrun.
We had to outrun some big ball. Big bad storm. Now we got beautiful weather. And we're going to catch a mahi with this beautiful weather. Because once you pull the mahis out, they're as beautiful as anything you've ever seen in your life. They're beautiful,
Yeah.
aren't they, Dad?
Yeah.
Once you pull them out, they'll be beautiful. Unless a shark tried to attack them, they
See the bird, son?
Bird. I see bird. Are we following that bird?
Yeah. He's working the weed line.
Are y'all waiting for him to dive in? See if they fit? I want to catch a fish. I don't care if I have to swim with bull sharks. I want to catch a fish. I want to catch a fish.
There he is.
I'm not coming out. I wish that would be if that was a flying fish, we would have the best video of him ever.
Yeah.
Oh, that's illegal. I was just flying. That is how you fly in a boat. You hit a wave. Fun to hit waves. I'll do that.
See the bird?
Come on, what? Show me where the moth. Show me where they are. As soon as he dives in, I'm diving in. He died. He died. Wait, where is he? I see. He goes. When he dives, my furry friend is going to show me a fish. Come on. I'm going to name him Mahi Mahi. Mahi, show me. Follow Mahi, we'll catch a Mahi. He's probably cruising the horizon or something. Mahi, come here.
You named him Mahi?
Mahi. Mahi's going to show me. If he finds bait, I'll give him $1 million in this. Find a mine. Daddy, I think this boat knows we're going better than that. Run. He got something down.
Yeah.
That bait is fun. Mahi found the bait. Mahi, if you turn right, you're gonna give you $1 million. You just need to turn right. Oh, we found a bait. We found a bait, sorry. Oh, we're not looking for bait. We're looking for Mahi. Mahi, don't round. Right now, we're going to find Mahi. We're sitting in the back of the boat. We're about going like 54 miles per hour right here. Very fast. Right here, we got a blue runner.
Toto?
Beautiful.
I'm alive, well.
They're good fish, but not that many. Here, I'll show you. Oh, let's not do that. Just wait till they completely swim. So right here, I'll show you on them. Nah, just wait. I'll show you some. There's none right now.
You get?
This here got a yellow runner.
What's that?
Yellow runner.
Show me now. Ooh.
Dad, open the seine. I can't open it.
Okay. What are those, Finn?
Almato Jack.
You caught them?
This one.
Okay, hold that.
I'm gonna turn. Wait.
You see how he likes to fish, huh? He's all about it, man. He don't care what he's catching. Look at that. Wow, Finn. Get that weight.
Funniest thing I've ever done.
That's the coolest thing you've ever done.
Offshore fishing session. Fish on top.
Here, Finn, drop it again and catch another one. Middle. Dude, you got three. Three, dude.
Matches. There was something on it, Dad. Did you see that big one? Following that up. It's just funner.
Hold that one.
Well, at least I'm catching fish. That's the best thing. If I didn't catch fish, then no. No, I will be missing. Dad, there is mahi out there. Because Dad, didn't you? Let's see how many seconds to that one. Say, we will see you all.
What you catching there? Got one? That's a nice one. All right, there you go. That works good. They fall off when you get them up. You might not have a hook, do you?
No.
You got one.
Yeah.
Got one? Big one, eh? Reel a little bit more. You'll see the swivel. All right, there you go.
That's the biggest one.
Man, look at that one. Big one. Hold that. Set your pole down. Yeah, that's a big one there, buddy. Well, you better hold him good, cause
No. That was awesome.
you like that?
We're going to catch
Here's your glasses, man. You going to do what?
How fishing. It's no wonder only be careful. Never be careful. Every day you have to be careful.
Yeah. See how he's putting that on there, Finn? Here's your camera. Look at this.
Geez, catch something that's gonna be big. Those are big squid. Right?
The bigger the bait here, the bigger the fish.
So then you see the little light at the top there?
Yeah, so deep you have to use a light. Very deep.
Man, that's a squid there, buddy.
Big squid too. I need to keep tight.
Dig it.
How deep is it here?
700 probably.
700?
7.
700 feet.
Look at that, man.
That might take about 14 minutes to do. Wow.
Finn, look at the weight he uses. Look at that, man.
Huge.
Wow. See that? That's how you do it, Finn.
Those what?
Jack.
There's jacks here, he said, John. I'll take.
Look how long it takes to get to the bottom, Finn. Watch that.
While we're waiting, can we use a little ceviche?
Let's don't get too much going on right now.
Yeah. Let's see. A tilefish will put a dub bend in that rod.
Huh?
A tilefish will put a dub bend in that rod. We'll take a look. 7:05 here. 540. It's going to twit. I can't see. About there. Almost there. Way deeper than we thought.
Well, because the line stretches, the line goes out with the tide, so it takes a lot of line to get it to the bottom.
Oh, keep in there.
So what do you like? Get it right off the bottom?
Are you dropping it back down?
Well, you might have to pull it up. It's drifting under the boat, buddy.
Is it at the bottom?
Yep, right at the bottom.
Can you see it on sonar? Oh yeah.
You see it?
Got it right over here.
Then when we get one on there, this could be a big boy. It's not going to be one of those little jacks.
Can I see if they're even jacks?
And what is that, babe? What is that?
Electric wheel.
That's a nice little small one you got there. Some of them are a lot bigger. That thing's really small, isn't it? Will it work as good as the real big ones? I mean,
Depends on what you're catching.
yeah. I mean, for like a, can you pull up a swordfish with that?
Yeah.
You can?
Pull up anything with it, man.
Really?
Not mine, it's strong. Just depends on how much time you got.
Other slowing down. Yeah, there's a fish on there. Isn't it? Yeah. Oh, wait, that was something falling up. What's that falling? Yeah. Something falling up.
Oh, rudderfish.
What do you call those fish?
They got both the babies.
Amazon jack.
They both got hit.
That is a bit of fun. Mommy,
They
can I
took
have
our
my
bait, buddy.
sandwich now?
Yeah, they took our bait. We're
Can I
gonna
have my
rebait and get one.
Can I have my
Yep.
sandwich now?
We'll get it right now.
How deep are you going to drop it this time?
Same depth, buddy.
To the bottom. To the bottom. That's it.
That's not big enough.
You put it right off the bottom, right on the bottom. Yeah, I'm getting it right now.
Do we even have bait on these things?
Where are we going? Get them both. Get tender. Hear you.
It even comes with the radar, comes with the radar, some of that. These things cost $1 million. That would be a very good boat to go offshore fishing with. Well, only of course, not in Georgia. Georgia is not good offshore. Nothing. So maybe you have to go underwater offshore to catch like the best fish ever eaten. It's nonsense. Palm Beach, Florida, best place to ever vacation. Then you sell one of these, rip one, I don't care what you do, dip one, go offshore fishing, and that's off. And if you don't do it, don't on the floor. It will be in the link in the below.
Oh yeah.
There's nothing following. Green, right over there. See? See that? See that?
There you go.
Daddy, I found Alma's house.
Okay. Don't hit the weight on the boat, buddy.
Alright, have one.
Don't reel it up too far.
Dad, they're all out.
Got one, Fan? We got a school of them under here. Man, fat ones at that. And put it down.
Dad, this is
Okay, hold up a second. We'll turn the camera on. We'll just flip on the image. So.
no, that's an Alma too.
That's an albacore. That's a big one though.
there.
Oh,
Underneath that.
he's on top.
The net, Jeff? Yeah.
Hold the phone.
Okay.
He's gonna go fast when he gets up here to the boat. Away from the boat.
Yep. Man, that's a nice one. He's on there. Chad?
Blue one right there. Come on, man. You got the
Yeah. Hold it up, man. Oh, man. Hold on. I got it, Jeff. Boy. Wow. Look at the colors on it.
have to let some line out.
Yeah. Ben, hold the camera.
Open that cooler.
Hold that. Okay. Let's get a picture. Here, hold on. I mean, no, just
Oh, I want to hold him.
Okay. You got any?
Dad, get the phone.
I got the camera here. Man, your first mahi?
Where's my in my lifetime? Dad, get the camera.
I hear you, buddy.
Dad, I want to call Remo.
No, well, let's get the hook out.
Dad, where's your phone? Dad, where's the phone? Dad, where's your phone?
Why, Fan? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Wow, that is so cool. I've always wanted to touch a mahi.
Okay, here. Get a picture while I'm doing that, and I will get it.
Here, I want to hold it.
All right, just hold on a minute.
On the phone. Dad,
Yeah.
Oh, that's not. Oh, that's a. What is that?
Just
It's a Jack Trevelle. No, that's a big bluefish. Whoa!
that's a nice one.
Can you give me the GPS position?
All right, Finn, put that back in the rod holder there.
Wow! Tell me.
Drop it down. Hey, we're gonna move, Finn. Get over here, buddy. God help him. Dude, that's how you do it right there. Good job.
Get that other one out the way. Keep them to the left. To your left. You gotta steer the fish away from the motor. Yeah.
Steer it away, buddy.
I got a shark.
Yeah. Barracuda or
Oh, that's a barracuda.
Look at that, buddy. First barracuda, look at that. The size of that thing.
Watch out.
A barracuda? Here.
Are we doing it?
That ain't just a barracuda, that's a big.
You got razor sharp teeth.
Yeah, that's all right. You got him up on camera, man. You'll be able to see him. Good thing I put the camera under the water. We got a good picture of it.
Oh, we got a big
Look
one.
at that one. Hold him up. Hold him.
Almato. No, Dad, there's more in here. Right when
All right. Get.
Let me go this.
Oh, that way, Finn.
There you go. Yeah,
Reel it.
you got him?
He's on there?
Yeah. Oh, no, let go. There he goes, you got him.
Ben! I'll put this down because, let me put it back up.
Dad, I got a jack.
A jack?
Don't let the reel hit the front of the boat. You got it? You just got to keep him out. Keep him out. Up there. You steer him. There's a body. He's going fast.
Dad,
Nice
we're
one.
like over to like, it'll be the bait on.
Come grab this jack, man. Yeah, there you go. Come on, hold that thing. Put that thing up here.
Yeah, like this. If you put your fingers in there,
Man, you catch it. You just checking off all the...
you're not holding that teddy bear.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah, you checking off all the species today, buddy. Yeah, let's get the blood out the boat.
Dad, we found one of the good spots.
Did you get that thing off the boat?
Yeah. Dad, give me another piece of bait. Dad, we found one of the really good spots. Right there.
On the boat here. Epicenter here, buddy.
I see a huge one.
Watch out, fam. Back up. Jeff's got to get all that blood off the boat here. Over here. Yeah.
Dad, give me a piece of bait. I found a tiny piece.
So there was a dolphin on it, and that jack picked it up, eh?
Look like it.
You got one?
He's wearing them out.
Drop it. Drop it. Let's. Here, I'll cast. What you gonna catch this time?
Oh no, I'm gonna touch him.
Hold on.
Oh,
Don't let the rod go.
yeah. Don't let the rod go. Oh yeah. Y'all pulled y'all's in, y'all ready to move to another spot, or either back. That was actually when we were up near that little thing there.
There's a big one right here.
Oh, right there? All right, hold that in. I think they got their baits in. Can you camp out over there? You camp over there and stuff?
to go over there now by the cleaning station and trip it.
Let's go get some footage.
And what is that?
That's the,
You caught that here at the
I'm
dock?
gonna be catching a big jack in a minute with that fish head. No,
That's a fat one there, buddy.
no, you want doing that?
Wow. Here, hold the camera and I'll undo it. I gotta go help Jeff. This back is
Okay, come down here and y'all can come by.
Really?
A bit mango.
Here, hold that.
Take yourself a tin. And the boat your name, baby.
Did you turn the valve on, Finn?
What vibe?
Oh, it's on?
Yeah.
Throw them.
Stuff under that thing.
Okay, here we go, guys. You ready? See that? Just the mango I've ever done in my life.
Where'd you catch that at?
Yeah, they're
Right here?
stood right here,
You did?
and
You caught him right there?
they're right by the pilings. Let's catch another one.
Wow.
We'll take that. Let's get another one.
Man, it just gets better and better.
This needs to be smooth. Oh wait, yeah, maybe. Let's catch another one.
Tell you what, if I lived down here and I fished, I wouldn't eat nothing but fish. Nothing. That's all I'd eat.
Here, you can do
I make it different ways, man. You cook it right, it's hard to beat good fish. You gonna catch another one? I can't believe you caught that mango. That's a nice mango there.
That guy over
I mean, that's a nice one.
I see him in a sheep head in there too.
Hear that, Finn?
Sheep's head?
Sheep's head.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. It was a great time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button so you don't miss out on awesome videos like this every day. See you on the next one. Peace.